Let me show you how to get into one of my very favorite moves on the Lyra called the lion in the tree. It's a very, very simple move, but it is so beautiful, especially when you add it to a spin. So to start, we're gonna do our Delilah mount into the hoop. We're gonna climb, climb, climb. Now we're gonna keep one leg out of the Lyra, and whichever leg is hooked, we're going to lean towards the opposite side of the hoop. It's gonna drop into that opposite shoulder, and as we drop into the knee pit, it will drop into the same side shoulder. From here, you can let go and add some fun arms. I like to wrap my hooked arm around the Lyra. Then to come out, we're gonna re-grab, pull our shoulder back out, and then bring our other leg back into a seated position. I'm bringing my left leg out. My right leg is attached, so I'm going to lean to my left shoulder. As I drop into my right knee pit, I then can hook my right shoulder. The more I can drop down and let my left hip drop below the Lyra, the more I can relax into this position. I can also then bring my left leg up to my right, around the hoop into a cuddle position. Then again, to come out, we re-grab, we pull that shoulder out, and then we climb back up to our seated position. Let's try it with a spin. We bring our leg out, dive through the hoop to the opposite side, drop into that shoulder, and then from there we can play with some different positions with our arms. Really, really lean into that shoulder. And then we come out and back to seated. Again, this is one of my very favorite Lyra positions. It's called Lion in the Tree. Try this one out. It's a very beginner friendly move. You can also try it on a low Lyra. And when you're ready, try it with a spin. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.